Hello. Today we're going to be exploring an intriguing subject that most people will already have some experience with: chatbots and natural language processing. We will discuss the fundamentals of chatbots, the intricacies of NLP, and how these technologies synergize to develop useful tools for communication and automation. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are chatbots? At their core, chatbots are software applications designed to simulate human conversation. They can operate through text or voice interactions, and their primary function is to assist users by answering questions, providing information, or performing specific tasks. The simplest chatbots don't use any sophisticated language processing. They follow a set of predefined rules and respond to specific commands. For example, a basic customer service bot might be programmed to respond to phrases like, "What are your hours?" or "I need help with my order." Instead of interpreting the user's language and deciphering what they mean, they search for keywords like hours, order, or help, and return a pre-written response. These rule-based bots are limited in their functionality, but can still be quite effective for straightforward interactions. However, these bots are tedious to create, as every conversation option must be manually programmed in. Let's delve into natural language processing, or NLP. NLP is a branch of artificial intelligence that focuses on interactions between computers and humans through natural language. Essentially, it's about teaching machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language in a way that's both meaningful and useful. NLP works by converting human language into a format that computers can understand. It starts with breaking down and cleaning text, like dividing it into words, keeping essential words, then simplifying them. The clean text is then analyzed to understand its meaning and structure using techniques such as identifying emotion, recognizing names of people and places, and understanding parts of speech. Computers are trained on large amounts of language data to predict and generate responses. They learn from user interactions to improve their accuracy and capabilities over time. NLP has a wide range of applications. For instance, it's used in language translation services, predictive text inputs on smartphones, search engine results, and even generating text based on prompts. By leveraging NLP, machines can process and analyze large amounts of natural language data, making them more capable of understanding and responding to human communication. How does NLP fit into the world of chatbots? First, we can create what are known as large language models using generative AI. These advanced models allow chatbots to understand context, handle more complex queries, and provide responses that are more natural and conversational. Generative AI, in particular, enables chatbots to generate human-like text based on inputs they receive. This means that instead of relying solely on predicted responses, chatbots can create responses on the fly that are tailored to the user's specific needs and context. This integration greatly enhances the functionality and the user experience of chatbots, making them more versatile and effective. Now that we understand the power of NLP and chatbots, let's talk about how to use them effectively. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. Be clear and concise. When interacting with a chatbot, make sure your questions and commands are clear and to the point. This helps the bot understand your intent more accurately. Keep the prompts short. Long-winded prompts can confuse the chatbot. Try to keep your input brief and focused. Ask one question at a time. Multiple questions in a single prompt can be challenging for the chatbot to process. Stick to one question at a time for the best results. Provide context. If your question requires some background information, include it in your prompt. This helps chatbots generate more accurate and relevant responses. Another powerful feature of NLP-enhanced chatbots is their ability to use files and documents as context. This functionality enables chatbots to retrieve and evaluate data within updated documents to deliver more detailed and context-specific responses. For example, if you upload a product manual or an internal company policy document, the chatbot can refer to these documents to answer specific questions related to their content. This makes chatbots a valuable resource for accessing detailed information without the need for extensive manual searches. It is important to note that when you add documents, companies like Microsoft ensure that these documents are not used in training the underlying AI models further. This means that your documents remain private, secure, and are only accessed by the chatbots for the duration of your interaction. This approach protects your data while allowing you to benefit from the chatbot's advanced capabilities. This is only a basic overview of chatbots, but it should give you enough knowledge to better use products and solutions which utilize NLP.